Your father was already comfortable in his own saddle and making a name for himself. But when your proud grandfather strolled on the stage, leaving him alone in the sun,
the starter gets us underway here at Three Oaks. Mid-Cleverness off to a magnificent start. Bookies are nervous. Polish Protest is right there. Polish Protest leading. Polish Protest. Practical Phobia in second place. Sailor Spectacular in fourth position. Mid-Cleverness leading the charge. Polish Protest in second. Substitute Scale in third place, struggling with Black Bale Bottle. Continuing around the track, it's Mid-Cleverness. Emerald Elephant on the outside. Substitute Scale in third, putting in a strong bid with Black Bale Bottle. Trying to beat back Lord of Lake. Continuing around the track, it's Mid-Cleverness. Lord of Lake in second place. Substitute Scale travelling on the outside from Black Bale Bottle. It's on now, folks. Substitute Scale in second position. Won it, gets the third place.